Hi everyone, it's Jerry. I have another chess composition to share with you. This one was published in 1924 and composed by one of my favorites, Frédéric Lazard. It's white to move. If you'd like to go ahead, pause the video, spend some time with this, and see if you can find the best continuation. Okay, a couple notes before I share the solution. The current state, both rooks are under fire. So attempting to, on move 1, capture the black rook is met with the capture the white rook, and the resulting position is a draw. The bishop stops the a pawn, and the king stops all of the f pawns. So the winning way is to land a check, forcing an only reply, king takes pawn. And yet again, we find ourselves in a similar boat. Pawn takes rook would now be met with king takes rook. That's a draw. So another check is in order. Rook g7. There goes pawn number 2. Same story here. Chop met with chop. Another check required. There goes pawn 3, and 4, and 5, and 6 pawns in a row must fall. Throughout all of it, the white king has merely been a spectator. Until now, on move 7, where it can finally assist with this 7th and final check. The king is a reliable defender. Only after the king moves on this move 7 can we safely take the rook, and white is simply winning. The plan from here is to guard this square and push the pawn, something like this, and of course white wins. Now, of all the compositions I've shared by Mr. Lazard, this is one of the lighter ones, to be sure. This is more about aesthetics, this visual of the white rook beginning on g1 and making use of all other g-file squares, giving up all of the f-pawns like this, luring the black king down to a point where the white king can now assist in protecting the rook. Only at that point do we pick up the rook. What'd you think of this one? Did you get it right? Anyhow, feel free, as usual, to leave any feedback to this video in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, maybe found this one a little bit fun. That's all for now. Take care.